Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it looks like I don't have a shirt on, but I do have like a crop top on. That's why it looks like I don't have a shirt on. And I currently have on eyelash extensions. They look real natural, so that's why it looks like, you know, I got the beat going on, but I really don't. My eyebrows, I feel like they have a little color on them from last night. I washed my face, but this elf right here did not want to come off my face last night, so that's why my eyebrows look like they're drawn on. So, oh, I'm making so much noise with my makeup box. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my eyebrows, obviously. I always start with my eyebrows. Matter of fact, today I'm going to start with my face first. So I'm going to be using this elf foundation. It's new. Like, I haven't tried this foundation, so this will be my first time trying it out. I'm excited. Here we go. Now I'm going to be using my foundation brush from Elf, and I'm going to buff this out. So now that you're done with your foundation, you're going to want to make sure that your face matches your neck. If it matches your neck, then you did a good job on blending. Now you're going to take your concealer and your foundation and you're going to mix them two together. I do this because I want a more creamy look. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand right here. Then you're going to want to put a little bit concealer. I'm going to add a little bit of this concealer too. This concealer is by Kiss. You can get this from any drugstore, any beauty supply store. It'll be like $1.99. So this is the color that I've gotten when I mix my foundation, my LA Girl Pro, and my concealer by Kiss. Now this is the color that I've got. I'm going to take my elf brush and I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to put it right underneath my eyes. You see how it's going on my face very smooth? And that's all because of the foundation. So when you finish this process and you end up looking like an Indian, you know you did a good job. Guys, I've never did this before, like mix foundation and two concealers to have a creamy look. I never did this before. This is my first time doing this, so let's see how this blends out. So I'm going to go in with this face tempered brush. I really like this brush because I feel like it blends so well. Let me take this here off. I feel like it blends very well. So that's what I'm going to be using to fix up this right here. Now guys, do you see how it looks like I contoured but I really didn't? It only looks like that because I put that concealer line right here. So now you're going to want to take your foundation brush and you're just going to go around your face in circular motion so everything won't look so harsh. So now that you did that, now I'm debating if I want to contour or if I want to just leave my face like this. I think I'm going to contour. So now you're going to go into your palette. It can be whatever palette you have. This is a very old palette that I had for a while from Macy's. As long as it has that dark brown color in there, then you'll be fine. Then you're going to contour your nose. So now you're going to set your face. I'm going to be using Laura Mercier like I always do. It is medium deep. Now you're going to set your face everywhere that you put concealer. So now that your face is setting, you're going to go ahead and start doing your eyebrows. Since my eyebrows are freshly done, I don't be putting a lot of concealer like I used to. So as you see what I'm about to do, you're going to see me put like a little bit concealer. First, you're going to brush your eyebrows out. Because if they're all over the place, you're not going to get nothing done. So guys, this is how my eyebrows look. This is me shading it in, and this is regular. So basically, this one has like a little bit left over from last night, so it looks all natural and everything. That's not really my eyebrows though. And over here, I already just colored it in and, you know, made a little arch and made it look nice. And now you're gonna do the same to your other eye. Oh my God, I'm over here making a mess. Satin powder is mad messy. Like the fuck? Alright, now you're gonna do your other brow. Now you're going to conceal your eyebrows. You're only going to put a little bit because nobody got time for that. So basically, what you guys just seen me did was put a little bit concealer on my eyebrows. That's it. So now you're going to want to wipe all your excess powder off your face. But while you're doing that, hold on. So while you're doing that, you're going to take your Morphe palette and you're going to go in it and then you're going to pick the darkest brown you see in this palette. The darkest brown I see in this palette. I'm not going to point it out because like it's messing with my camera and I don't like that. So I I see a dark brown right here, and I'm going to use this dark brown right here. I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm going to touch that brown. And while I touch that brown, I'm going to wipe the excess powder off my face. Boom. 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 Do y'all see the difference? I wiped off the excess powder. I didn't wipe off the excess powder. Weak. So guys, I just went to put my lippy on. The shit that y'all not getting. I'm not being stingy. I'm sorry, I'm not being stingy about my lip gloss, but yeah, alright, so I'm going to be doing blush today too. I like blush. So you're just gonna take any palette and just look for like a color that could be blush for you. Basically. I chose like an orange pinkish. So now you're gonna do a little smile. And just put that right there. So now when I smile like this, you see it on my cheekbones. Basically this video, I just wanted to like try just a new makeup look. Like I just wanted to see if I can mix foundation, two different concealers, and see if I can get like a creamy base, and I actually did. So I'm not gonna put no highlight on. This is just a very extreme natural look. I put blush because I love blush, but yeah guys, this was the final look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna title this video yet. I don't know, but when you see the caption, you'll know. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. See ya.